Today at Devitt Machinery, we are pouring Moglice FLP into a hydrostatic worm rack. Let's get started. We are spraying the Diamant separator onto the worm gear to make sure the FLP does not stick. The separator will leave a thin film that dries cloudy. Drying takes about 15 minutes, and then you'll be ready for your pour. The racks have been stamped in sequence to ensure the racks will line up with each other when installed back onto the machine. Now we must dam the rack. We used a combination of duct tape and clay to ensure all the Moglice stays in the rack. The gaps between the teeth of the racks and worm will be filled with Moglice FLP. We are ensuring all materials are the same temperature. Inconsistent temperatures will cause the material to set up at different times. We will be using the Bridgeport to mix all three 1,500 gram Moglice FLP kits. A consistent stream is needed for pouring the racks. We will backfill once 2 out of the 3 kits are poured on one side. Do not scrape the containers. The possibility of unmixed product on the sides could make the pour cure improperly. FLP will fully cure in 24 hours. The next day, we release the worm gear from the rack with a little force. Revealed is a beautifully molded hydrostatic rack. Here you can see the rack we poured prior and cleaned up, next to the rack we just poured. They match perfectly. Once we are finished trimming the excess FLP, we will place the rack back on the table and continue pouring in sequence until all 27 racks are poured. All of these products and services are available at Devitt Machinery. Give us a call or send us an email. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.